In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Tradingview. First, open your chart. This can be any chart you are already working with: stocks, crypto, forex, or an index. Once the chart is visible, focus your attention on the right-hand side of the screen. That vertical area with numbers is the price scale. It shows the current price levels for whatever you are viewing. Now, move your cursor to the very top of that price scale on the right. At the top, you'll see a small label that indicates the current currency, such as USD, EUR, or another unit. Hover your mouse right over that currency label. When you are in the right spot, the label will look interactive, and you should be able to click it. Go ahead and click the currency label. A drop-down menu will appear with a list of available currencies. These are the units you can use to display price data on this chart. Take a moment to scan the list and then select your desired currency. One simple click is all it takes. As soon as you select a currency, Tradingview will instantly update the display. The price scale on the right will switch to your chosen currency. And the numbers on the chart, including tooltips and readouts, will reflect that choice. This also applies to indicators that output price-based values. So moving averages, VWAP, and other price-derived indicators will show their values in the new currency as well. It's a quick way to convert the entire visual context of your chart without changing the underlying symbol. If you don't see the result you expect, double-check that you click the label at the very top of the price scale, not somewhere in the middle of the axis. Also keep in mind that some instruments are quoted in specific ways and may limit the available currency options. In those cases, the list you see is what Tradingview supports for that instrument at the moment. When a currency is available, the conversion uses Tradingview's data, so you can rely on a consistent, chart-wide change. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.